Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's Quentin here and welcome to tutorial number 48. And in this tutorial we are still talking about retrieving data from forms, so quite a long topic, but now I'm going to show you guys how to retrieve data from a select list, okay? So right now I've got the code from the previous tutorial still here, I haven't cleared it out yet. So let's go get rid of that, but keep the submit button, don't want to forget about that. And then I'll go ahead and clear out the PHP on this side, so just go ahead and delete all of that. Keep the PHP tags though, because we're probably still going to work with them. And now we just need to throw in some select lists over here, so I'll just put one in. Okay, and we could probably just say yeah, we'll reuse something from the previous tutorial. So what is your favorite food? And they can select from a list of their favorite foods. Okay, so we'll have a select list here, select, and let's enable multiple. And we need to give this a name. And I'm going to give this a name of food, okay, and now we can end off our select list, ending select, okay, but this select list is actually going to be able to allow the users to select multiple options, okay, so that's why we've put in this option of multiple. And I don't have any options in here, so I can't really show you what it's going to look like, but basically whenever you're going to allow the users to select multiple options that are going to have the same name like this, you need to go ahead and use the square brackets. So if you guys can remember my tutorial on checkboxes and allowing the user to tick multiple checkboxes, then this is pretty much just like that. We're going to put these square brackets in here, and that means that we basically have an array inside of our $_post array. Okay, so an array within an array. Quite exciting. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and add in some options here. So option and ending option. And we're probably going to have to put in like 3 of these things, so, or 4 of them. I can't remember what foods I used last time, but I definitely think it was steak and salad, and I think hamburgers and macaroni. I think it was macaroni. So if I'm right, then let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. I haven't gone back to check. Okay, so now I just want to give each of these options a value. So we'll give this a value of steak, and the next one can have a value of salad because that is a salad, and the next one a value of hamburgers. So quite a tedious job this, giving them all values. Hamburgers. And the last one can have a value of macaroni. Value equals macaroni. Okay, cool. So now we've got all of this set up. Let's go ahead and take a look at that in the browser. So we need to change this to tutorial 48. Okay, and that's pretty much what it looks like. Quite hideous, actually. So what is your favorite food? And the user can maybe select 1 or 2 or lots of them if they would like, and then click submit. But we don't have any PHP code on this side to actually handle our data just yet. And if we want to make this look a little bit better, we could probably just add in a break tag over there, and now our select list appears underneath, just like that. And we could probably add in a break tag over here as well. Break. Cool. And that's just going to make the button appear underneath. Okay. So now let's go ahead and write the code that is going to handle any data that we submit through to there. So the way we're going to do that is using a for loop, okay, or a for each loop, because we're going to loop through this array food. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is let's make our array called food, and we're going to set that equal to $_post food. Okay, and that is because whenever you select a whole bunch of stuff in here, then we're making an array within our array of $_post. Okay, so this food variable should now contain an array of all the answers or all of the options that the user selected in the select list. So now we can go ahead and say for each, and we just need to get the syntax for this for each loop right. Okay, so for each, and it's going to take a value of an array, so we can place our food array in here, seeing as we just created it up there. For each food as value, and now we can go ahead and do something with that. So let's echo out the value. So echo out value, and then I'm just going to append on a break tag. And I forgot my little HTML enclosey thingies. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and save this and go back to our browser over here. So click refresh, and we'll select steak, hamburgers, and macaroni. Click submit, and now we've echoed out steak, hamburgers, and macaroni. Okay, so that is really cool, and that is pretty much how to handle the select list, because it works exactly the same way as the multiple checkboxes. Just whenever you're going to send through multiple values, include these square brackets, and it means you can make an array out of any values that are going to be sent through, so they can all have the same name, which in this case they're all inheriting the name food. All these options inherit the name food from the select list, but they all have different values, which we've given them over here. And whenever you echo the variable out, or the value variable out, you're actually echoing out this name, so steak, salad, hamburgers, etc. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, or share this video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I will see you guys next time.